Auxiliary drive belt renewal. Open the bonnet by pulling the lever in the passenger's footwell and releasing the underbonnet catch. Use the prop to support the bonnet. Using an open-ended spanner, reach down and rotate the tensioner arm clockwise to release the belt tension. Insert a 4mm drill bit or peg into the hole in the tensioner body so that the tensioner arm rests against it and locks it in this position. It is useful to have a small mirror available to enable the alignment of the locking holes to be more easily seen in the limited space available. If reusing the belt, mark its direction of travel to make sure it's refitted the right way round. Manoeuvre the belt from the pulleys. Make a note of how the belt is routed as you remove it. Also check that the tensioner and idler pulleys spin freely, with no signs of roughness or slack. Refit the belt around the pulleys, ensuring that the ribs on the belt are correctly engaged with the grooves in the pulleys, and the drive belt is correctly routed. Using an open-ended spanner, hold the tensioner arm so that the locking drill bit peg can be removed. Then release the pressure on the spanner so that the automatic tensioner takes up the slack in the drive belt.